So today I'm going to bring you the review on a 27-inch QHD KTC computer monitor. This is a 1440p 100 Hertz IPS gaming monitor. It is frameless. It's going to be HDMI and DisplayPort hookups, FreeSync and G-Sync compatible, HDR10 and VESA mountable. So, all right, to put the stand together, it's pretty much just a simple slide down on top. It'll snap in, and then we're just going to take this and slide this right into the back, like so. She's on the stand. So there it is on the stand. You can see nice and easy. You see the VESA mount here. This is a 100 by 100. Your connections will go right here. And as you can see, there is some up and back tilt to it. Now, if you want to remove this, there's a little knob here. Just press the knob. The stand will come right off. So we're simply going to attach our VESA mount on here. As you can see, everything's just going to fall right in place. As you can see there, slips right in, easy to go. We got adjusted the height. All right, hookup was really easy. Everything seemed to work out. It automatically read the display settings, which was good. Automatically shifted to a 1440. So I'm really impressed with the quality of the display. Up top here, this is the KTC one we just hooked up. And this is my Alienware down here. For the value, if I were starting from scratch, whether it's gaming with the 100 megahertz refresh rate, or if I was trading, you cannot beat this value at all.